Welcome to Learn Easy and Smart. Dictation start. On 15th August, 1947, India was partitioned and became free. Full stop. Gandhi declined to attend the celebrations in the capital and went to Calcutta, where communal riots were still raging. Full stop. And then, on the day of independence, a miracle happened. Full stop. A year-old riot stopped as if by magic, and Hindus and Muslims began to fraternize with one another. Full stop. Gandhi spent the day in fast and prayer. Full stop. Paragraph change. Unfortunately, the communal frenzy broke loose again on 31st August, and while he was staying in a Muslim house, the safety of his own life was threatened. Full stop. On the following day, he went on a fast, which was inverted comma to end if and only if sanity returns to Calcutta. Full stop. The effect was magical. Full stop. Those who had indulged in loot, arson and murder amidst shouts of glee, came and knelt beside him and begged for forgiveness. Full stop. Paragraph change. On 4th September, the leaders of all communities in the city brought him a signed pledge that Calcutta would see no more of such outrages. Full stop. Then, Gandhi broke the fast. Full stop. Calcutta kept the pledge even when many other cities were plunged in violence in the wake of partition. Full stop. On 30th January 1948, 10 days after the bomb incident, Gandhi hurriedly went up the few steps of the prayer ground in large park of the Birla house. Full stop. He had been delayed due to a meeting with the Deputy Prime Minister, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and was late by a few minutes. Full stop. Paragraph change. He loved punctuality and was worried that he had kept the congregation waiting. Full stop. Inverted comma. I am late by 10 minutes, comma. He murmured. Full stop. Inverted comma. I should have been here at the stroke of 5, inverted comma, full stop. He raised his hands and touched the palms together to greet the crowd that was waiting. Full stop. Everyone returned the greeting. Full stop. Many came forward wanting to touch his feet. Full stop. Paragraph change. They were not allowed to do so, comma, as Gandhi was already late, full stop, but a young Hindu from Pune forced his way forward and, while seeming to do obeisance, fired 3-point blank shots from a small automatic pistol aimed at the heart. Full stop. Gandhi fell, comma, his lips uttering the name of God, bracket, Hey Ram, bracket, full stop, before medical aid could arrive. The heart had ceased to beat. The heart that had beat only in love for humanity had, inverted comma, stopped, inverted comma, full stop, thus, comma, died the Mahatma, comma, at the hands of one of his own people, comma, to the eternal glory of what he had lived for and the eternal shame of those who failed to understand that he was the best representative of the religion for which he suffered martyrdom, full stop, paragraph change. The nation's feeling was best expressed by Prime Minister Nehru when, with a trembling voice and a heart full of grief, he gave the news to the people on the radio, full stop, inverted comma, the light has gone out of our lives and there is darkness everywhere, inverted comma, full stop, paragraph change. He was fondly called, inverted comma, Bapu, inverted comma, and is the father of the nation, full stop. His birthday is a national holiday, full stop. His image appears on Indian currency notes, full stop. His death day is observed as Martyrs' Day, full stop. For some, comma, he was a saint or, inverted comma, fakir, inverted comma, some called him a leader and some a politician, full stop, but, comma, he was in reality an extraordinary soul in an ordinary mortal's body, full stop. That's why he was called, inverted comma, Mahatma, inverted comma, full stop, stop.